What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for coming back. Thanks for subscribing. And if you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe and that bell button so you can get new content. As you can see, I'm out here with Lucille again, my main crew chief, Noah. And today we're going to try to put the new...
shirt.
Yes. Today we're going to try to put new front steering suspension on Lucille. I noticed on my last race, when it came down off of wheelies, my wheels wobbled a little bit. That probably cost me a couple of tenths. Probably wasn't enough to win the race because the guy got me on the big end. But we got to fix that. So I ordered new steering arms, idle arm, ordered new tie rod ends, inner and outer, and new ball joints and stuff like that. So we're gonna get those parts on. Hopefully have it in time for the Slippy No Prep race coming up on September 7th at India Raceway Park. All right, let's get this stuff. All that whole front here is probably, hopefully not, but probably the original stuff from 1992. So we're gonna get all this changed out, get it at least some new stuff on here. So it went back together pretty smooth. Okay, just had to bolt the tie rods in. I made sure when I put them back together that I tried to line them up with the same length. Okay, and these fittings here, grease fittings here, be very careful when you're putting these in. Okay, everything just goes back together almost exactly the way you took it apart. All right, so hopefully this new steering link just takes some of the play out of my front wheels when I'm launching. All right, new tie rod ends on the whole new steering link. Just got everything all greased up. Now I'm about to line it up the old-fashioned way. So I'm gonna line it up the old-fashioned way, and hopefully everything goes well. I don't think I'm gonna have time tomorrow to get it on the alignment machine before we head to Novaco for this no prep off the trailer race. So I wanted to get it as straight as I can tonight so I can drive it around, make sure everything's okay in the morning, and just put it on the trailer and make that hour drive down there. All right, so let's take a look at how I'm gonna try to line this thing. Okay, so what I did was I just took a string. So it's my back wheels already lined straight. I just took a string and ran it across my back wheels straight to the front. All right. Now, even though the offset is a little bit different from my back wheels to the front, the only thing I'm gonna do is just when I come up here, I'm gonna measure the distance from the string, front and back to the wheel. All right, so the front looks like it's about 2.5 inches. All right, the back like it's about 2 3/4. Alright, so the front is about 2 5/8 dead in the middle. The back is pretty close to the same, like 2 5/8. I'm gonna lock it down right there. Alright, what's going on? So last night I got everything lined out and good to go. Got it put back together, took it down the road. She drives straight. So now I'm just gonna get ready to load her up and put her on the trailer. After several attempts on lining it up, taking measurements, adjusting it, and taking measurements again, finally got it close enough where it's good to go. So I took it down the road. She's good. We're gonna put it on the trailer, take it to the Indian Valley Raceway, and see how we do today. I made a test hit. It didn't go so well, but we're gonna try the best we can do at this race. We're gonna see what we can do. All right, so if you guys new to the channel, subscribe, comment, like, and hit that bell for notification. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you again.